Hi, this is Kyle with Paul C. Buff, and today we're here with local musician Unique Cortez, and we're going to be teaching you a few setups for dramatic backlighting. So the first setup we have here today, we have our 24-inch silver interior beauty dish through a grid on there. For a little bit of fill, we have a 10 by 36-inch strip box. And back here we have our large 60-inch octabox. We're going to use a V-flat to block out the center, and so the V-flat is going to act as not only a backdrop, but it's basically going to divide our octabox into 3 individual strip boxes. We have a color correcting gel dome on our 60-inch octabox, and that's going to add a little bit of warmth to our backlight. So we've added a little atmosphere aerosol in there, give it a little bit of haze, a little bit of mood. All right, 3, 2, 1. So Unique's colors are black and gold for her branding, and we really wanted that to pop, especially with the sequins, the rhinestones. I felt we could use a little bit more saturation, so I swapped out our color correcting gel dome for a yellow one, and now I'm going to take our color correcting gel dome and I'm going to move that onto our key light to add a little bit of warmth to the skin tones. 3, 2, 1. So I want a larger spread of light. I'm going to remove my grid and I'm going to pull my light back just a little bit. So you can see now the yellow is spilling into the hair.
This is so awesome.
So what we're going to do now to kind of expand on this is we're going to move on to our second lighting setup. And this one's going to be really easy because all we have to do is pull our V-flat away, and we are going to start using our 60-inch octabox directly as a background. So we're going to take our V-flat away. This is going to become a bounce for our key light, and we are going to take away our fill. So we are going to move back. You're going to be not quite touching it, but you're going to be pretty close to the actual light. So with the spill from the yellow, that's going to provide all the warmth that we need. So we're going to remove color correcting gel dome. So for the final shot, we wanted to be extra dramatic. So we're going to light Unique from behind using the Eclipse optical snoot with our blinds gobo to look like she's playing guitar by the window. Our key light, very simple, just a 24-inch foldable beauty dish, silver interior, no grid, no gel, it's nothing fancy. We also thought it would be a fun challenge to shoot this one only using the ultra bright modeling lamps from the link. To really make the line show up, we're just going to give it a nice spray of atmosphere aerosol, and as you can see, we get a nice view of the light as it falls on Unique. Thank you all so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. Huge thanks to Unique Cortez. Be sure to follow her, social links in bio. If you liked this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more content.